In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mine cryptocurrency using Binance Pool step by step. Whether you're completely new to crypto mining or you're already mining and want a more reliable and organized platform, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know and help you get started with confidence. First, open your Binance app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the bottom menu and tap on the option labeled More. This section contains extra Binance services, so scroll carefully and make sure you're following along so nothing gets missed. Next, tap on More and then find Binance Pool under the Earn or Services category. When you open Binance Pool, you'll see different mining options and supported cryptocurrencies. This area is designed specifically for miners, making it much easier to manage mining activity without jumping between different platforms or tools. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Binance account is fully verified, ensure you already have mining hardware like an ASIC miner or mining software ready, and double-check that your internet connection is stable. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary setup issues. Once you're inside Binance Pool, select the cryptocurrency you want to mine, such as Bitcoin or another supported coin. After selecting the coin, copy the pool URL and worker details shown on the screen. These details are essential because they connect your mining device directly to Binance Pool and allow your work to be tracked correctly. After that, go to your mining device or mining software and paste the pool URL and worker name into the required fields. Once everything is entered correctly, save the settings and start the miner. You should now see your miner connecting to Binance Pool and beginning the mining process without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to monitor your hash rate and worker status inside Binance Pool to make sure everything is running smoothly. Taking this extra step ensures your mining performance stays optimized and your earnings are tracked accurately. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to mine cryptocurrency using Binance Pool easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who are interested in mining. Why not help someone start their crypto journey today?